Hello and welcome to the shed. In today's video we're going to be talking about a question from Anthony Seaver 7000, floor mats to reduce fatigue in the workshop. So I assume that Anthony's talking about rubber mats here because that's probably the most likely mats that you're going to use to reduce fatigue in the workshop. So I'll put a few notes down here. First of all, I think having rubber mats in the workshop to reduce fatigue is well known that it does actually work. Now in my situation I found that the rubber mat kind of got in the way of me dancing around here, hand planing and picking up tools and whatnot, and I used to get caught up on the rubber mat because I didn't have a rubber mat that sort of filled the entire area down here, and I ended up removing it because it just got full of shavings and it was just annoying to have around. So the solution that I ended up coming up with was wearing these foam clogs, and that reduces a lot of fatigue for me in the workshop. And that's what I do. So I thought I'd just come out and tackle what I do. Now, I want to talk about a few other things that I think could work well. So if you've got wooden floors, I don't think you probably need the rubber mats that much. You know, you could do, and maybe you don't. Hard floors, I think, is where you're going to run into real fatigue issues, and I think probably more with power tools. So some of you out there that use power tools, do correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm going to suggest that perhaps using mats to reduce fatigue is a lot more important when you're using tools that have a lot of vibration in them, like power tools, table saws, thicknesses, all of that. Now, I think for rubber mats to work, and I think it would work in my workshop, is if I used those thicker sort of gym rubber mats and you have them all edge to edge and lock them in so they don't move. And because they're nice thick rubber mats, I think you could still roll things like heavy workbenches and stuff around on the surface, and I think that could work. But there's an expense to that, and that's why I didn't opt for something like that. Maybe I could have done that out here, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money on that, and so I think the foam clogs are actually a good sort of point, and they stay with you and is a little bit easier, especially in a hand tool workshop in my case, which is all I can speak to. That's really all I've got to talk about on this particular topic. I think that the mats to reduce fatigue actually is a great question, and it's a good topic that I think the community needs to talk about. So I'll hand it over to you guys to sound off in the comments what you think, experiences that you may or may not have had with rubber mats, and I think that's where we'll end this video. That's all I can really talk to this, and so let's continue the conversation down in the comments. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe down below. While you're down there, as I said, do sound off in those comments, and if you want to see another Your Questions Answered video here, do check out the playlist up here, which links to all of the Your Questions Answered videos, and maybe your question's already answered there. And if you have any other questions, do leave them down below, and I'll try and make a video on them if I think it's relevant. Bye for now.